Folks, it's Saturday afternoon. It's gray, a little bit of blue appears to be poking through the sky. And we're down by the canals. Regent's Canal, to be specific. Regent's Canal begins in Islington, up in North London, and cuts like a hot knife through butter, all the way down to the Thames, by a little basin called Limehouse. It spreads throughout East London, through Shoreditch, through Haggerston, through Hackney, making a little jetty up by Broadway Market, where we'll head this afternoon, for a nosh and a bite to eat. It's old Nani boy. Look at him. Oh, the houseboats. We've got all types here. The small one over there, the Arun. It's very tiny. I've always dreamed of living on one day. I always love this one, the Django. Look at how old and battle-scarred, moss-ridden it is. A proud warrior. You can see the smoke rising from the chimneys early in the morning here. This is the Bridge Academy behind me. Imagine going to school in some crazy sort of spaceship on the water. Huh. That gives me a good idea. That's a great houseboat, Fernando's Flower. Beautiful. This is my favorite part, the colors that you get on some of these. You can see over there behind me, they have some names on the sides, the Molly Malone. I wonder who Molly Malone was and what she meant to someone. Look at the contrast in colors. Teal, red, navy, sky blue. Oh, there's a great combination, the Valletta. Green and red and yellow. Lovely font. Absolutely brilliant. I didn't know if we were gonna get to see one of these. We have the canal system opening up right here. Oh, this is perfect timing. See the houseboat coming in through the canal. He's got to fit through that tiny little lock there. I thought there was going to be very little canal traffic because of the weather. Perfect timing. The water's beginning to rush down here. Oh, this is truly a treat. And soon he'll be able to voyage onwards for wherever he may be going. Look at that line of houseboats. Delightful. It's a very delicate process. Even the most experienced boatsman can scrape the side of the hull, go too soon, too early. His assistant up there, opening up the lock. A lot of strength required to manage one of these. Going ahead. Oh, a little bit of a slip, but she still got it. Takes skilled rudder work, a good grasp of rope knowledge, and a keen eye for navigation. And it's gonna shudder just like that. Well done. Stuck to finish. So now this side is closed, and the water's really going to begin to rush in now. As soon as she gets over there to let the floodgates open, he's got the boat secured. Here she goes, working the crank. Pulls are getting higher and higher and higher and higher and higher. Going across the bow. Look at how high that water's getting now. The boat is just waiting. He's anxiously waiting. Oh, there we go. There is the pull. Yes. So that boat up there is the Donnet. Eventually it will go further forward. I've just learned from this fella up there that they are what's known as continuous cruisers, meaning that every 2 weeks or so they have to find a new mooring. If you want a permanent mooring in this part of London, it's gonna run you 10, 15,000 pounds a year, which at that point, you're better off just getting a flat. They're actually new to the houseboat game, 4-month owners. He says that as long as you're practical, not too difficult to figure out. Anyway, my dreams have just proliferated in the past 10 minutes or so. Oh, yes. Oh, and we're approaching Broadway Market. What perfect, fortuitous timing. Look at this one. Zero adornment, metal, slate gray. Oh, the hummingbird over there. That's a lovely one. Lovely houseboat. And here we have more of just a boat. I guess it's a house. Oh, yes. SUBSCRIBE. Subscribe to Like Locals. It's the place to be.